Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace an image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. I will replace this image. Click on this home option. Now click on edit option and select image option and click on this image and select. Now select this format option. Here you will find this replace option. Click here and upload your or select a replace images. I'll select this one and select open and see this image now replaces. In this way you can replace a specific or all of these images as you want. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.